Hi Haunani, this is my 5-minute video on how I would introduce prana to a class. All right, here we go. So good evening, good day everyone. Welcome to Keena's class. I'm going to talk to you all about prana today. Prana is something that people usually think of as either breath. I usually hear prana described as breath work or as life force energy. And while those things are prana, and while those things are prana, they're not just prana. I mean, prana is not just those things. Prana is everything. Prana is something that's infinitely available to us and that we have the ability to manage when we have the awareness and the understanding in our minds and our bodies to be able to manage our prana. Okay, so prana is something big. It can be something major, just as major as just all of everything around us, and also very subtle things as well. So how I think of prana is, my teacher, Haunani, said that prana is everything is how my teacher, Haunani, described prana. And so that made me think of the song by Lauryn Hill, where Lauryn Hill says, everything is everything. After winter must come spring. Change, it comes eventually, right? And so with that meaning, like, without the winter, there wouldn't be a spring. There wouldn't be a spring if there wasn't a winter. Those things cannot exist if the other one did not exist. So just like the sun cannot exist without the moon, just like the trees cannot exist without the grass, and just like the rivers cannot exist without the land, all of those things are necessary. They all are a part of the whole, and they're all intertwined within the whole, and we're included in that. We're also just as connected. We are also just a part of the rest of the elements of the earth. There's not a hierarchy of humans to trees to the waters to the stones to the dirt. We're all connected and we're all the same. So when you think about, there's a book called Soul Way that Lupita Nyong'o wrote about the moon and the sun, and in the book, the darkness was disappointed because she did not get the same praise, the same recognition, the same appreciation that the sun got. And so darkness left. And then it was only sun. And so then when it was only sun, then sun was not as special as she was when she was balanced out with darkness. And so darkness became celebrated because of all of the things that darkness brings. Darkness brings the ability to rest. Darkness brings out the sun, the stars and the sun. Darkness gives the nighttime critters, a time to be awake, and then additionally, another thing that makes me think about prana is the movie Inside Out, where typically people think of when they're looking to just have happiness, to just have joy, to just have fun. All of those things would not be what they are. Happiness would not exist if there wasn't the other emotions of anger, of sadness, of fear, of nervousness, of caution. Those other emotions wouldn't exist. They all are necessary in order for any one of them to exist. If any of them no longer existed, none of them would have they wouldn't have the purpose that they currently have. So like when you see the yin and the yang picture, there's the yin inside of the yang, and the yang is inside of the yin because one cannot exist without the other. So I think of humanities as the way that we can access prana. You can access prana through the things that you access it and adjust it. The vibration of your prana can be adjusted based upon the things that you eat, the things that you see, the things that you touch, the things that you listen to. Those are all things that the humanities sparks inside of us. Music, dance, artistry, literature. Those are things that help us to manage our prana intentionally. So Just like as humans, we only use a portion of our lung capacity, a portion of our minds. Our awareness is not even, we're only using a portion of our awareness to even have any understanding of prana or the access that we have to it. So as we take smaller and small steps into prana management, we are able to access more of the infinite prana that is available to us. Thank you.